Hey you guys, it's Daphne O and I'm back with another video. And this is just a short video of an overview of the A03s Galaxy smartphone. I got it for my daughter for her birthday. She's 11 years old. So I got her this phone. It's a budget-friendly phone. I paid around $79 for it from Walmart. I got it on one of their Straight Talk prepaid plans. I just want to show you guys how it looks. This is not a tutorial or anything. It did not come with a charger block, so I'm using this Belkin USB-C charger block that I had. I bought this about 4 or 5 years ago. I got it from Walmart as well. It did come with a charging cable, but it's a USB-C to USB-C charger cable. So if you do get a charger block, you got to make sure it's one that's connects a USB-C to USB-C charger cable. You know, where both ends are USB-C ends. And right here, like I said, it's not a tutorial. I'm just changing a couple of settings in her phone, just showing you a few of the settings that I always change when I get a phone. So I'm just changing it in her phone, showing you some of the quick panel options that this phone have, which is pretty much the same options as most of the other Samsung phones. It just doesn't have the oh gosh, what is it called? The screen recorder. I noticed that's about the only thing I noticed that it didn't have was the screen recorder that does come on many of Samsung phones. This one did not have it. But I'm gonna just go in here and I'm gonna change her edge panel likeness. So like if I send her a text message, because pretty much it's just gonna be family that does call her or text her or anything, but I'm gonna just set up her edge likeness so that, you know, her phone can light up whenever somebody call her or send her a text message. I have parental control on her phone through the Family Link app, Google's Family Link app, I believe that's what it's called, where I can control how much time she spends on her phone, on what type of apps and all that good stuff. If you don't know about it and you want to know about it, you should look it up. It's called a Google Family Link. It's great as far as controlling what your child looks. Well, not really what they look at, because like, they can still get on YouTube, but you can control how much time they be on YouTube, and you can put a certain amount of restriction so certain videos don't come out, even though some videos do still slip through. But it is a good app. And after I changed her edge lighting, I went in and did what you call it? What is the thing called? I don't know what you call it. Anyway, the adapt is right there on the screen. Because I'm blind and I need a bright screen, and when I need to check her phone to see what she's doing, I need for her screen to be bright. So I changed that. And I changed her dark mode to a custom setting. It really doesn't matter because she has her phone shuts off at 8:30. I put the custom mode for 7 o'clock, so she only had like an hour and a half before it shuts off anyway, but I still did it just to be better on the eyes. And then here's the edge panel, which is a little bar that can scroll out from the left or the right depending on what side of the phone you have it on, and it's like a quick access to whatever you choose for it to be, which I'm gonna show you where you can go and choose different things. It just have her apps up there, and that's all she needs. She don't really need nothing else. I might put her clipboard up there because she do like to take pictures and stuff, so I might put a clipboard there where she can see her pictures and stuff. And I'm just changing the color of her edge panel, and I'm locking it in position so that she can't move it around her phone right here. But you can go, this is where you can put different apps on your edge panel as well. I'm sure. Like I said, it's not really a tutorial. I just want to show y'all the phone and what it looked like. Because, I mean, I really think it's a pretty nice budget-friendly phone, to be honest with you, especially for like an 11-year-old or something like that who really only needs it for emergency phone calls. She don't really text, but she do know how to text. She do video calls. Here, I'm putting it right next to my S22 Plus. I'm not comparing the phones at all. I just want to compare. I mean, I'm comparing the size. That's it. One is a budget-friendly phone, one is a more expensive phone, so of course there's going to be difference technically, but I just wanted to show the size on that. And here I'm just trying to show the screen color, the difference in screen colors on the phone, and that's about it. Just want to show you guys this. I will have the tech details of this phone in the description if you are curious about the specs of this phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one.